Here comes the warning. Here comes the warning. Stop la, sharp. This is our police. Now, our police makes the run behind this defender. This was not a great cross by Umuremi here. But remember, Uti, our police makes the run behind the defender. Now here comes the goal. Watch where Umufukeng is. Ball comes to Umuremi. Remember in the first clip, this guy, he went with our police at the time. But now this is Umufukeng. Look what he does. Now the ball comes back, right? Umuremi la. As a defender, why ungablock umuntu? A striker or a midfielder can't make a run into the box when uyamiyekela. Awumthinti nokumthinta, uyamiyeka just like that. You are counting on your central defenders to hit the ball. Hamba naye or do something. Okay, keeper. What was the keeper doing here? Where was the keeper going? Let's look at the keeper. Where is the keeper going? Where is the keeper going there? Marabafetu mara. No. And then Besebati, the coach must be fired.